Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to remove items from your wishlist in Meesho. If you want to remove an item from your wishlist tab on Meesho, then follow through the steps. First of all, launch open the Meesho application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the heart icon at the top right corner to open up your wishlist. Now all of the items that you've added to your wishlist will be displayed on the page. To remove the item from your wishlist, tap on the heart icon that is filled with red color right above the product preview. Now once you do that, the red color will be unfilled and the item will be removed from your wishlist immediately. Repeat this process for every other items you'd like to remove from the list. Removing an item from the wish list does not affect your cart or past purchases. If the wish list seems slow to update, refresh the application after removing the item. So that's how you easily remove an item from your wish list on Meesho application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.